Juanita came to me last night and she cried over and over. Oh, Daddy, I love you, you know, and I think it's the moonlight. She looked so fine, oh, she looked alright, and she moaned, oh, Daddy, move over. Oh, baby, you know what I like, and I think it's the moonlight. Made in Mexico, schooled in France, who I loving, she needed no teaching. Oh man, I can say international ways I believe in. Mexican girl, leave me alone. I've got a heart as big as a stone, and I need you, believe me, to be here and love me tonight. Mexican girl, I want you to stay. You know my heart is longing to say that as long as I live, I will always remember the one that I call my Mexican girl.
I saw him today, I saw his face, it was a face I loved, and I knew I had to run away and get down on my knees and pray that they go away and still they begin now. Needles and pens now, because of all my pride, the tears I got.
Needles and pens now, because of all my pride, the tears I gotta hide. Oh yes, till it began. Needles and pens now, because of all my pride,
The tears I gotta hide.
oh, I'll always remember the one that I called my Mexican girl.